Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see from the video title today, this is a giveaway for this particular knife here. It's the Angle of Arms Intrepid Survival Hunting Knife. This is a giveaway for a 1,000 subscriber benchmark, so when we get to the 1,000 subscribers I will put all the names of my subscribers into a list to a randomizer, and we'll pick one lucky person out, and this knife I'll contact you via whatever means I can, or you can drop me a message, and then I'll get this sent out for you completely free of charge. The knife itself is, as you can see, it's painted black. It's got a nylon handle. It comes with a nice sleeve that's got that is entirely a belt loop. So as you can see there, you just put your belt through there, and it also comes with this little flint as well for lighting fires and things like that. I'll make sure the knife itself is super sharp, so it'll be able to shave with. But yeah, so it's a case of like and subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll get this knife sent out to one lucky winner. So tell your friends, tell everyone, get them all liking and subscribing, and they will be in a chance to win this knife. So we'll see you soon. Cheers.